Hey folks, once again it's Captain James Nelson here with Dude Craft Guitars. Never mind the mess, the dust. Boy, I've been like hacking away at things lately, and that includes this one. Now this is another one. I did not make this guitar, so this is actually, it's an XRB, I believe, the model 604. I could be wrong, but it's a Yamaha. And what we did is we put on a new neck. So I did a conversion on this neck. This thing is low. It's a 37-inch scale conversion. And what it does is it allows us to get down, we could technically go down to G sharp or even A. Right now we're at B flat, A sharp, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to give a little sound sample just to show that the proof of concept, of course, worked. And yeah, so here it goes. I'm not going to go through all the pickups and all the goofy configurations. There are a lot of really neat features to this this particular instrument. Yamaha did a really good job, as they usually do, but the customer wanted it just to be a little more extended range. So here we go. Pretty low, which for guitar players, we like it that way. Bass players sometimes want it a little bit higher, sometimes not, but there's plenty of room. This saddle's got plenty of room to move up or down. Barely play a guitar, so playing bass is a totally different subject. There you have it. It works. It plays like a bass, sounds like a bass, feels like a bass, and I don't think that the stretch going to 37 inches is all that great. And I got short arms, so but what can I say? I do like the fact that we did go with a real tight 38 millimeter at the nut. It does feel good, so that helps with the stretch, because at least I don't feel like I'm overworking my wrist to get down there. And really, it's a bass. That's where you should be, is in this range, right? All right, thanks again, folks, for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars. Please click the like and subscribe. Come on back, because we got some more demos coming, including a new Mandy. So that one's going to be pretty cool. So check us out. And again, thanks for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars.